Hey guys, I am so super excited because we recently hit 10,000 subscribers. Yay! I really wanted to give something back to you guys because you guys mean so much to me. You've given me a lot of happiness. I read your comments and it makes my day better, and I just cannot. I'm just so blessed and so happy to be doing this. And when I started YouTube, I was a little bit apprehensive because you never know what kind of people there are going to be, because you're going to put yourself out there on the internet for everyone to see and judge. But considering how much I thought about it, it turned out to be a lot better because there are so many positive people, there are so many supporters, so many people who appreciate you, who motivate you, and it just turned out to be so amazing. And we are at 10,500 now, so I am just ecstatic. I cannot believe this. And I've been on YouTube for a year. I recently completed a year on YouTube on 29th April, and we hit 10,000 subscribers, and I am so happy. Okay, I need to stop saying that. I wanted to give you guys products that I've been loving and products that I know you guys will really enjoy. So I have 5 prizes for you guys. That's right, there are going to be 5 winners, and here are all the giveaway prizes. You're going to win your prizes in this little hashtag makeup bag, and I'm going to go through each one and tell you what is inside each one. So in the first makeup bag, there is a pack lip pot which looks like this, and you will have seen me use this in one of my videos, which if you haven't watched, I'm going to link it somewhere here and you can go and check that video out. So that is going to be the first prize, and along with that, in the same bag, you're also going to get a pack Auto Intense Eye Kohl, and this is also one of my favorite kajals, and it is a retractable pencil, so you don't have to sharpen it, but it doesn't retract back because they don't let any air to remove the moisture and the creaminess, so it stays really creamy and really easy to glide on your eyes. And I have been really loving this, and I also recently used this in a tutorial. So this is the first prize. This is in the shade Fiction. Of course, this is mine. You're gonna get a new one, and they come with their own brush and they have a matte finish. So here is the swatch of that. It's a beautiful red shade, so it's very universal. It's gonna suit everyone. If you're a makeup artist, these are extremely great because you can keep your lipstick sanitary, and you can just scoop the product out into your hand and apply it to someone with a lip brush. So the next prize is bubble wrapped. So the next prize is bubble wrapped. As you can see, let me just see what this is, and I will show you mine. This is the Sleek palette. Ooh, so exciting. So I'm going to keep this back inside because I don't want to damage the one that I'm going to give away. So this is going to be bubble wrapped back inside, but here is how it looks like. This is the one I have, and this is in the shade Original. As you can see, it's a really beautiful eyeshadow palette. It has some gorgeous neutral shades, a beautiful golden, a gorgeous bronze, some greens and some blues, and the quality of the Sleek Eye Divine eyeshadow palettes are absolutely amazing, and they're not as easy to get hold of in India, so I thought one of you guys is really gonna enjoy this, and you can create a lot of different looks with this eyeshadow palette. That's why I wanted to include this one, because you have some blues, you have some greens, some pinks, a purple, gold, and a matte black shade, and they swatch amazingly. They're very pigmented, they last really long. So that is the second prize. The third prize is also bubble wrapped, and let me just check what this is. Oh, this is a Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm going to show you what mine looks like. This is the Makeup Revolution Iconic 2 palette. This is supposed to be a dupe for the Naked 2 palette, and you can see that it has some beautiful neutral shades, great for everyday wear. These shades are really pigmented, they're really easy to blend. This is also one of my favorite drugstore palettes because you can create a lot of different looks with this. You can create some really nice smoky looks with this section, and some really nice nude everyday looks with this section. So this is going to be the third prize. The third prize is actually a lipstick from Sugar Cosmetics. It's a lip crayon, and here is a sharpener, so I'm going to keep yours back inside. Lipstick is in the shade Scarlet O'Hara. It's a beautiful neutral toned red. This is what it looks like, and I think it's going to suit everybody, and this is also one of my absolute favorite red lipsticks. It is matte, it stays on for a really long time, and these sugar lip crayons are really amazing. I forgot to include the nude one from this range called Holly Golightly in my nude lipsticks video, and so many of you guys left comments under my video saying, oh, you forgot that shade. So it is definitely one of my favorites, and I did forget that shade. Otherwise, I definitely would have included it in the nude lipsticks video. So this is definitely going to be a part of my favorite red lipsticks video. So this is going to be the fourth prize. For the final prize, the 5th bag, I have these mini beauty blenders from PAC. They're great for concealer, for contouring. If you have a smaller face, they're definitely great for foundation as well. And I am really obsessed with the PAC sponges. I have been using my PAC beauty blender religiously and it works really beautifully. So you get 4 in here, and I also have... Ooh, this is exciting. I also have a PAC brush. This is the PAC 002 brush and it is called Flawlessly Me, as you can see. So I'm going to keep the new one back inside for you guys because I don't want to play with it. Mine is a little bit dirty, please excuse that because I have been using it. If you have a bigger face, it's definitely great for concealer. I also really love it for foundation, and it really buffs the product into your skin and it makes everything look nice and flawless. It buffs your foundation in really well. The bristles are extremely soft. The quality of PAC brushes is really amazing. So you're definitely going to enjoy this brush. So that is what is in the last gift bag. I am so super excited for 5 of you to win this, and I just cannot believe we hit 10,000 subscribers. And I'm going to keep going and I'm going to bring you guys content, and I hope you enjoy my videos and learn something helpful and new from them, because that is what I make the videos for. I want you guys to learn and enjoy. Now for the giveaway rules, of course you have to be a subscriber of this channel. All you have to do is click that little red subscribe button right there and you will be subscribed and notified of all my future content. So that is the first rule. The second rule is that you have to give this video a thumbs up, and the third rule is that you have to leave a comment down below telling me how you found my channel and what keeps you hooked to this channel, because I feel like that is the thing that I'm most curious about. What keeps you coming back? What do you like about my channel? What is the most interesting thing about my channel? What videos do you like to watch? What are your favorite videos? How did you find me? And what is your favorite thing about my channel and my videos? So I think that is the thing that I'm most curious about, how you guys found me and what do you enjoy the most about my videos. So please leave that in the comments down below. I would absolutely love to know. And of course you're gonna get additional entries if you follow me on social media, on Instagram, Facebook and on my blog. I'm going to leave all of that in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. And also in the comments below, tell me where you're from and what you would like to win out of these 5 things, and what is the thing that you're looking forward to winning and where you're from, because I really like to know where you guys are from. So again, to sum up, tell me how you found my channel, what is the most interesting thing about my channel, where you're from and what you would like to win. If you're also following me on social media, don't forget to leave your handles in the comments down below as well. Also please make sure that you don't comment a lot of times, because I want to see each one of you and it gets a little bit hard if you comment the same thing again and again. So please only comment once, and I'm definitely going to see your comment. Don't worry, I'm going to go through each one and I'm going to select 5 winners at random. I hope this is not too complicated. I want to keep it nice and easy for you guys. The winners will be announced on the 30th of May in the description box of this video, and I'm also going to announce the winners on the 30th of May on my Instagram page. So if you don't follow me there already, please do to keep up with all this. And I'm so super excited. I hope you guys enter this giveaway, and I hope 5 of you win and really enjoy your products. And I'm going to see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.